what really struck me as funny is, I think a lot of people are like, oh man, my nearest competitor's at, $1.50 for pickup and
Yeah.
delivery. I don't feel like I can be higher than that, but I also don't know if I can make money at $1.50. And you're
Yeah.
talking about competing with people at 9 cents a pound, right? So how'd you
Ooh, yeah.
decide your price point and, and run with that and make that successful as being one of the higher priced people?
I might have said that wrong. So we're actually on the lower end of pricing.
Okay.
We
Okay.
are definitely a more economical option compared to our competitors.
Okay.
I think to date, we actually just updated pricing. I want to say some of my nearest competitors are at like $2.50 to $3 a pound.
Okay.
I'm sitting at $1.99 a pound. If you go recurring, it's $1.89. We offer no fold, which no fold is $1.49, $1.39 if you go on recurring. So we are tremendously cheaper
Got
than
it.
a lot of our competitors. We did instate a pickup and delivery fee last year. We do have a $40 minimum. So our minimum is lower than our competitors. Our pickup and delivery fee, I think some of them do it. Actually, I believe most of them do a pickup and delivery fee that's higher. Our only more economical option than us is actually taking it into a laundromat, which we can't really compete with because we pick up and deliver, right? And even those
Right.
pick up and deliver services from those laundromats, we beat their prices as well. So the philosophy that you asked for based on that is it's, there's a lot of things that people buy and, they would pay more if it's wrapped in gold, right? They would say, oh, I'd pay more for this if it was wrapped in gold, right? I like good food. Like if I were to order pizza or something like that and someone said, hey man, for an extra $5, you can get the pizza box, with wrapped in gold. I'd say, I don't really care. It's pizza. I'm just ordering
Yeah.
it for the pizza. Laundry is the same thing. And a lot of people say, you gotta have high prices. It shows luxury, it shows brand. Kind of like certain industries. I did believe that. Food is like that for certain, like if you have a
Mhm.
5-course menu that's priced pretty economically, people kind of look at you a little weird. Laundry is not like that.